Oh my goodness. This advent calendar is so cute. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this adorable fill it yourself Christmas tree advent calendar. This is made out of solid wood. It's got these nice little wooden drawers in it. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This thing is awesome. Check this out. Look, ready? I can fit 3 small dog treats in here. So I can do this and set it up so that the dogs can have a treat each day while on the way to Christmas. Check this out. The drawers are big enough that I can fit 3 treats in each one. Let's see here. There's one for you. There's one for you. And there's one for you. So I could fill this with, there's no more in there. You got it all. I could fill this with dog treats if I wanted to. And I could open one each day for the dogs on the way to Christmas, which I thought was cute. Or, check this out. These drawers are big enough to fit little mini that's not for you. That's chocolate. That's not for you. You can fit little mini candies in here. It's so cute. You can put M&Ms in it. You can really put whatever you want in it. It's super cute. The painting on them is really cute. Every drawer is numbered for each day, so you know where they go. Some of them are slightly different shaped too, but most of the drawers are about the same size. I have this sitting on my carpet, but you can see that it actually stands up pretty good. And like I said, it is made out of wood. It's heavy. It's solid, which I love. The paint on it is adorable. It's so cute. If you are looking for a fun, customizable advent calendar for Christmas, this is pretty cool. I love that it's a Christmas tree. It is super cute. I love it. Very good quality. We recommend this. The dogs are like, give us more treats.